Hello everyone, welcome to SkillSpark Academy. I'm Rafi, and today I'm going to show you how to create an engaging newsletter campaigns uh, for your emails. We'll cover everything from designing eye-catching graphics in Canva to copywriting with AI, proofreading with Quillbot, segmenting your audience, and scheduling your emails. So let's get started. Canva is a user-friendly design tool that's perfect for creating professional-looking graphics, even if you're not a designer and just a beginner. So here is the Canva. So you can check the template that they already have. So we're going to make a template for 4th of July. So once you select your template, let's select template first. Let's select this one. Once you selected your template, customize it by adding your brand colors. So you're going to have your brand kit with you. Brand colors, logo, and any other elements that reflect your brand identity. You can drag and drop elements, add text. So that's a brand name. You can change it. So we use a particular font. So we're going to use that. And then once you're done with it, you can just simply download it from here. It's that easy. So that's a very simple and effective way to create your graphics. That's pretty much it. Get all pretty good looking creatives using Canva that we have just created. We can use it to send our newsletters. So that's ready. After that, let's go to copywriting. So now let's craft some copywriting campaigns. So here is the prompt that we are going to use. So this is what we wrote. We want to send an email newsletter for our brand Lizard Health Solutions or supplement reduce weight and make you some of it for bikini season. We're also offering 15% discount for 4th of July. Make an email newsletter for and generate multiple subject lines, pre-headers, and email bodies for this email. So we have already done that. So let's take this email body that we have generated. That's the body. And let's put it on Quillbot. So after put this on Quillbot, let's see what kind of suggestions they have made to make it even better. So people who don't know what Quillbot is, it's a proofreading tool. It has free features and also has a premium features. So the free version only supports standard proofreading, and the premium version support all kinds of things like simple, academic, formal, natural. All these different type of proofreading is available there. So for now, we can actually just rephrase all these things because when you generate content with AI, all these text will sound similar from your other campaigns, and also it will sound similar from some of the campaigns that people other people have created, because that's a pretty generic content that you're going to make. So when you proofread this here, are you ready, prepared, eager? Yeah. It's final fitness objectives, fitness goals, and look good in bikini is going to assist you. Okay. So another tool that we will recommend to use is Grammarly. Top quality, excellent, big season. So the text they have highlighted, are for to change. Efficient components, Microsoft means. So the suggestions they are making, we're just making some changes on that. Okay, so let's see what else is there. So that's pretty much it. So we have our content. So let's create this campaign on OmniSend. That's the channel that we use to create our newsletters. So we need some subject lines, some a pre-header that we have already generated through using ChatGPT. So those are the subject lines they have actually given us. So let's take this one and put it there. And also the pre-header, suitable for the job supplements. So we're going to select 4th of July's template for our email. So there are lots of different type of template that's available here. So we're going to select an Independence Day template. So here are the templates that's available for Independence Day. And we're going to have to customize it according to our brand identity, our brand kit. So which one should we take? Let's select this one. Let's just check the preview first. Let's take another one. Okay, we can select this one. So we're going to get rid of most of these things, because eventually we're going to take our own. Uh, Most of these things are going to go out, because we're going to have to make our own thing. So we're going to replace this with our logo. So once it's done, we're going to select the creative that we have already made. So we're going to upload this creative that we have created. So it's this one. Let's upload it. So we have fonts selected here as well. We're going to take the copy and paste it here. So we're going to do another thing, which is that we're going to customize and insert. We're going to auto-populate the contact list that we have, and the first name will be auto-populated here automatically. So we're going to give the code. It's around 15. And we're also going to give it an automated code. So that's the discount code that we're going to give them. Here is the discount. So it's going to be 15%. Here we can set an expiration date here. Let's give it 3 days. I'm gonna run it for 3 days. Then we're going to give some product recommendations that we have, the product listing. So we're going to select our product from here, the one that we want. So let's see. So this one, this one, this one, this one. Let's add 4 products. Once we do that, you don't need descriptions here. I'm going to select the fonts here as well. So it's going to be on standard. It's also on standard. Let's change this one as well. We're going to save and choose recipients. So this is where the segmentation part comes in. So we're going to segment our customer base based on the number of orders they have ordered in the last, let's say, 25 days or 26 days. So people who has already ordered from us, we don't need to send emails to them, right now, right away. So we're going to separate this list. So we're not going to select the people who has ordered in the last 26 days. And this is how the segmentation is going to work. There are many different other variables, the filters that you can use to segment these people. Let's say another filter. So we can select just the birth date. So people whose birthday is in the next 7 days, we can send an email to them. Or people who has uh, subscription status based on state. So let's say we want to we're based in California, so we're going to send an email to people who are only in California. You can do that as well. So there are lots of different variables that we can use, and this is how we can segment our list that we already existing list. So we're just going to select the people who hasn't ordered in the last 26 days. We're going to exclude this audience, and we are going to give it a name. We already have. So let's select these people. So after that, you can send a test email to your email, and then review your campaign. And voila, that's it. That's pretty much it. That's done. You're going to check the your inbox for your email. So let's see how it goes. So here is your email. It's ready. This is how it goes. So that's pretty much it, everyone. So this is it. We have just created professional, good-looking emails from start to finish. How do you do the subject lines? How do you prepare your contents? How do you proofread it? How do you write your prompt on ChatGPT or any other AI. So all these things are we have done. How do we segment our customer list? All these things we have just learned that some of the standard ways how to do the email marketing campaigns. So I hope you guys have learned something from it. And if you have any other questions, just drop us a line and we'll get back to you. And please subscribe for to stay updated in all these things. Thank you, everyone. Have a good one.